Hey, this is Miku, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to create your first table on the space and time chain. From defining the schema to inserting data to querying it in the Data Studio. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial and I'm going to keep it super practical so you can follow along. First, we need to connect our wallet. Click the button here, choose whichever wallet browser extension you're using and go ahead and connect. Next, make sure you have enough compute credits. Now we're given three options: use sample data, define our own schema, or import a CSV file and let space and time automatically detect the schema. For this tutorial, we're going to define our own schema, so I'm going to click here. Here you can see the default namespace prefix for the table and the table name. You can edit or rename this to whatever fits your use case. For this example, I'm going to rename the table to commerce and the namespace to products orders. The table we're creating will track basic order data for an app, specifically who ordered what, the quantity, and the current status. Now let's update the column names. I'm going to keep ID as ID. I'm going to change the second one to customer. I'm going to change this one to product. I'm going to change this one to quantity. And finally, I'm going to change this one to status. Next, we'll assign the correct data types. ID is going to stay as binary. Customer is going to be varchar. Product is also going to be varchar. Quantity remains as is. And the status is going to be varchar as well. Now that our column names and data types are set, we can create the table. It'll prompt us to sign a transaction. I'll confirm it and wait about 10 to 15 seconds for the table to be created. And there we go. The table has been successfully created on the test chain. Next, we'll insert data into the table. I'm going to use the simple data that's already provided. I'm going to click here, sign another transaction and confirm. After a few seconds, the data is inserted. Perfect, our table is created and populated. Now let's query the data we just inserted. We have two simple queries here. The first one retrieves all rows from the table. Let's try it. You have to copy the query and then open the Space and Time Studio. Once you're here, you have to select Indexed on SXT Chain. Then go ahead and paste the query. And finally, run it. Here we can see the query results displayed below. And that's how you successfully create a table, insert data, and query it on the Space and Time chain. See you in the next tutorial.